SoundCloud, all of that. It's over there on this channel on this YouTube. DJ is, aka at DJ is. Y'all know how to find him. Get y'all some non-copyright music and listen to them in your videos too. But anyways, let's see where else was we gonna go. Oh yeah, I gotta get back to this playlist. I don't want to expose what my next video is over here. That's got a dope ass little chord to it. I like that shit. That's real dope. Shout out to the big homie. He been putting them out. Appreciate that. Oh, he said half. I forgot he did get the good collection. Yeah, I sent Scully like the whole collection, like all four of the fucking selections we had for our membership boxes. Shout out to the people that got that. You dig? Shout out to the people that's getting them yoking consultations. We're gonna have one of those coming up soon too. Shout out to the yoking consultation because that's gonna be good business, especially for starting off the new year with the 2025 campaign on yokings. Because you know I might have to get my 8%. mm. Oh, well, I keep telling you, I'm not faking out here. You know, some people be on some bullshit, but hey, I let you know what it is from the start. And then that's why, hey, that's what it is. That's what it will be. Yeah, see, now we got to actually have you do a fucking review, Scully. I'm gonna have to sponsor your next package. That way, your ass will put yourself on camera like, hey, shouts out to the big homie Team Deepwater Cultivating. He came through with a couple of packs. Rep the brand while you doing your reading thing. Hell, you know, we gonna have to come up with another script. I might not read with you, but I'll probably smoke with you on camera or something. Let you do a little slick interview with your boy while you do it too, right? Oh, I got an easy script tonight. Popcorn's gonna join me. Everybody in the crowd goes wild. Oh my God, it's popcorn. We watching sometimes. You never know how people be. Hell. Oh yeah, that's why I said we'll do a shindig in 2025 because you know while I'm doing homework, I definitely got to work with the author that reads to you. Shout out to that big homie Scully Pop. You dig? Y'all better get over there. You're gonna kick yourself in the ass for not already being over there. You should already know him. Shout out to the big homie. Now let's get to this last video. I done sat up and held y'all hand for over an hour showing y'all how to do the homework. Shout out to the homework 2025. Of course, you know how I am on projects. I don't like to start them at the beginning of the year. I start the project whenever I start thinking about it. You dig? Make moves, then you'll have the memories of what you did, and then you'll be like, man, I did all of that? Shit, I'm a motherfucker. In a good way, though, because, you know, I'm knocking out this homework. All right, this next one is 7 mistakes to avoid when quitting smoking weed. You know, shout out to the information crew. I got it for you. What up, Izzy? Appreciate you for coming through. I had dropped your link a little bit ago, so the replay gang got you.
Quitting weed, and if you like the information in today's video, I put it all into a PDF document, and you can find that document for free in the pinned comment, the link in my profile, or the video description. So let's get right into it. Mistake number 1 that I continually made over and over again throughout my years of trying to quit was comparing my journey of quitting to other people. So I was constantly watching YouTube videos very similar to my own, CG Kid, other OGs when it comes to addiction recovery content, and I was constantly comparing myself. And this was a really bad thing. And I was not only comparing myself to other people on YouTube, but I was comparing myself to other people, like my friends that I had quitting and other acquaintances that I knew who were quitting on like social media. And this was bad because some of these people were further ahead than I was in a shorter period of time than I was. And what would happen is in my brain, my addicted brain, I would say, oh my God, I'm different. My scenario is different than everyone else's. I knew that I was unique and I'm never going to get better. For example, if someone says, oh, you're going to have peak weed withdrawal symptoms in the first 3 to 5 days,